Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. It's still the Big Bang Meal Challenge. So I'm going to be making something I saw on the Food Wishes YouTube channel, and that is a stewed meat dip sandwich. Just looked really good. Like, ooh, get in my mouth. So let's get busy cooking, because I gotta let this cook on the stove for an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. So excuse me, gotta get cooking. So I'm gonna brown all the meat in this pan and then stew it in this pan. So get a little seasoning going. I got my stew meat. This is about just over a pound of choice beef stew, boneless. I probably could have bought the other meat and just cut it up myself, but I was at the store, I saw it, I grabbed it. So I need to get this out, and I'm going to get my beef stock in, get it start warming up. I'm probably going to add more, but I'll have to see, because I think you just put in just enough to cover the meat. So just getting my seasonings going. A little salt, a little sloppy mama, the king of flavor, a little MSG. Oh, whoops. Yikes. I was thinking I was going to stir it with a spoon, but then last second I thought, no, I'll just use my hands. Get it well mixed. Probably going to cook this in about probably 2 batches, half and then the other half. If you overcrowd your pan, you will what's the word? Oh yeah, you'll boil it instead of frying it, and you know, color adds flavor. So let's see if pan's starting to heat up. Maybe it's enough. Yeah, it should be okay. Now I'm not looking to fully cook this. I'm just looking to get it started by adding some color. That should be good for the first round. So someone was commenting on what a pain in the butt garlic can be, and I completely agree. It can be a real pain in the ass. What I found is pretty easy. Is you just set the bulb down and just take your spoon and or knife. Just give it a little hit. Just give it, you know, don't smash, but just give it a good firm hit. It'll pop it right out of the paper. And usually a good smack will loosen it right out. So then you just come on, let go. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and add it to the water. Add a little bit more oil. And cook the second batch. There we go. Second batch is cooking, but so this is actually the entire small clove of one whole garlic clove. I just grabbed kind of a smaller one. I'm gonna put the whole damn thing in there because I never seem to eat my garlic fast enough so it dries out. But since I like garlic, I'm gonna use the whole damn thing. Because I can. Meat's looking good, so I'm gonna transfer it over. I don't want to lose any of this awesome fond here, so I got a little bit of beef stock. I'm gonna pour in the pan. Take my wooden spoon and scrape all that up. Now I can, and of course it's on the other side of the camera, so let me get my pour that goodness in there. Sweet. That'll just make cleaning the skillet out that much easier. Now I'm liking the amount of water in here. It's not too much. It's not too little. I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna add, I don't know, not much time. I've already got enough garlic in there. I've got probably way too much MSG, but it's alright. I won't need any salt. Not gonna add any more. Slap your mama. I think I should be done with seasonings. So. Okay, so what I did is off camera, I added a little bit of Mexican oregano, maybe about a teaspoon. No, half teaspoon. I didn't add a lot. And then I also added a little bit of cumin as well. So what I want to do is I want to bring it up to get it to a nice slow simmer. Then I'm going to lid it and let it sit for an hour. It was actually at a boil just a minute ago, but I want to check. I want it to be fork tender. So I'm going to put it on a dip sandwich. So yeah, I see a little bubble action going. So we'll see you in an hour. It's been about 45 minutes, so let's take a peek. It's boiling a little harder than I wanted it to. I just wanted a slow simmer. I'm also going to use some baked beans just to go with it as a side. I'm going to get a towel next time because I think it's quite warm. Alright, let's see if this is done. Or at least done enough so I can start the next step. The smell. I've mentioned the smell. Oh man, the smell is intoxicating. We're just going to see if this is fork tender. And kind of looking like it is. Make sure you guys can see that. Fork's poking into it. It's fork tender though. I don't think it may not be done yet. Guess I'll just have to eat a piece and see if it's tender enough for what I want. Of course, it's going to be burning hot, but huh? I think it's got to go a little bit more. Well, I still have to warm up the oven, and I gotta put a couple of these in. These are these take and bake rolls. So I still gotta warm up the oven, and these will be 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna get this 10 more, and then I heat the oven and warm up my beans, and it should be done by then. Well, it should be close enough by then. All right. So I already turned off the burner. Beans are on, the oven's on. I saw Chef John do this, so I'm gonna do it. He actually removed the meat. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe making up a sandwich. It's actually probably gonna be better tomorrow morning. After the meat sits in the refrigerator tomorrow, it'll be all nice and tender. I forget why he said to do this. I watched the video the other day. That looks good. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to bake this, and then when it's done, I want to split it open and then put the meat on, and then some pepper jack cheese, because I think that would be fire. Really good, money. Then put it back in under broil, melt it, toast up the top of the bun. I've also got some extra hot beaver horseradish, because I love horseradish and beef. And then we're gonna eat. All right. Come on, focus. You're killing me here. Now I don't know why he did it, but he drizzled a little bit of the sauce on the bottom. And let's go ahead and get this meat on here. And I'm definitely going to be adding that garlic as well, because that's going to give it some nice flavor. So pepper jack cheese on there. Sweet. Get this guy in the oven. Gotta watch this like a hawk. There we go. Oh yeah. Finish this off with some horseradish. Straight from the jar, because that's how I roll. Alright, a little close up. Here you go. And of course I got my baked beans. Finally got my table back. Water leak, so I finally got everything cleared off. Oh yeah. Mmm. Horseradish. Whew. Right on there straight. That got my attention. Oh man. Alright, well, I'm going to enjoy my dinner. And I'm going to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist. And it'll also be on the end card, as well as last week's video. I do thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.